What is going on, ladies and gents? It's Transit Gaming here, back with another guide to ride. Now for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at yet another public transit system in Vancouver, British Columbia, the West Coast Express. It is a commuter train service in the lower mainland region of British Columbia, and it travels from Vancouver's waterfront station and stops at a few stations to serve the communities in Port Moody, Coquitlam, Port Coquitlam, Pitt Meadows, and Maple Ridge, before ending off at Mission City, which is a small city located 80 kilometers southeast of Vancouver with a population of about 39,000 people. The West Coast Express only operates from Mondays to Fridays, which does not include holidays, and only operates 10 trips in total per day. The first 5 trains operate westbound from Mission City to Vancouver with 30-minute frequencies during the morning rush hours. And in the afternoon, the same 5 trains travel eastbound from Vancouver to Mission City, also with 30-minute frequencies. Now, are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Because clearly the West Coast Express needs even more service. Because just 10 trains operating per day isn't enough. And it would be really nice if they decide to implement some weekend trains as well. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this. Next, what's kind of ridiculous is that the only other supplementation to the West Coast Express for people traveling in and out of Mission is TransLink's bus route number 701. It only travels from Coquitlam Central to Mission, and guess what? It only operates 8 times per day. And the worst part? It also doesn't have weekend service. Man, I just feel bad for the people that want to go to Mission City during the weekend. Now, before December 2016, West Coast Express train buses played the same role as Route 701. This service operated 7 times daily, and each bus would cover rather specific portions of the West Coast Express lines. So yeah, we can definitely see why West Coast Express only accounts for not even 0.4% of TransLink's overall ridership. But anyways, West Coast Express operates a rather small fleet of rolling stock, consisting of just 5 EMD F59 PHI locomotives, 1 MPI MP36 PH3C locomotive, which is actually used for backup, and a total of 44 Bombardier Bi-Level 6 coaches. You can see that West Coast Express operates their trains in a push-pull fashion, much like the GO trains in Ontario. The guide to ride for that will be in the upper right corner. The West Coast Express is in fact Western Canada's only commuter train service, which is a pretty surprising fact for me. And I definitely recommend checking out the perks and amenities there are on board these trains. Just look at it. These coaches have everything from onboard power outlets to washrooms, bike racks, and a coffee car? Yeah, let's move on. Now, I really hope you guys were able to see from this video that the West Coast Express definitely has more potential, and right now it needs more services and future extensions. Now, on the subject of extensions, there has unfortunately been very few proposals on how to improve the West Coast Express service, despite the amount of criticism. Only 2 new stations, one in Albion and the other in northern Burnaby, close to Simon Fraser University, have been proposed so far. My friend Omid also suggested adding a new station at New Brighton Park, and this may sound crazy, but to also extend West Coast Express to reach Abbotsford and Chilliwack. This will definitely cut down on the travel time for the people living there. Finally, let's talk about the fares and payments aboard the West Coast Express. Currently, you're allowed to use a variety of payment methods to travel on West Coast Express. Compass cards, Compass tickets, debit and credit cards, cash, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay are all accepted. With your form of payment, you are now able to purchase one-way tickets, return tickets, monthly passes, and stored value fares using Compass, and they all have adult and concession fare options. The current fare pricing table for West Coast Express should be up on screen right now, and be sure to take note of the fare zones on the routes, which will have different ticket pricings. Those of you who don't have a Compass card, you guys can easily go to a vending machine at every West Coast Express station to purchase a ticket. Now what's interesting is that once you've purchased a West Coast Express fare, you can actually use that ticket to transfer onto TransLink buses, C-buses, or SkyTrains for up to 2 hours. But if you guys want to transfer to West Coast Express using a Compass fare, then you're going to have to upgrade your ticket at a vending machine. With this option, you guys will be able to pay the additional fare that is required to travel on West Coast Express, and then you guys are good to go.
Folks, first stop is Moody Center. Moody Center Station at Port Moody.
Alright, and so this should just about do it for this guide to ride. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll be back for the next video.
Doors are closing.